Belt tension is the #1 factor in conveyor components. Too loose, and parts fail. Too tight, and you'll wear components out before their time. Too loose, and the belt slips or wanders. Too tight, and you'll shorten belt and bearing life. You'll need a wrench, socket set, and a tape measure. To start, loosen adjustment bolts pictured on each side of your conveyor. The secondary adjuster is mainly for tracking, not tension. Use it for fine-tuning of the belt for alignment purpose. Measure carefully on both sides to stay even. Once adjustments are made, check belt alignment and tension and retighten bolts. For fabric belts, keeping a spare belt and bearings nearby is cheap insurance. The day you need them, you'll be glad that you have them. Regular tension checks and a few spare parts on hand will keep your conveyor running efficiently with minimal downtime. Adjustment done.